Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Akwama adeba ko so say ehwe pa so say o say omoba they are going to scrap the double track system in our senior high schools. It is ridiculous because enye nwanwa say a political party on also about best scrap it a double track system, which is a shift system. Chama, let me put it if I'm right a system a shift system. So we call time we know we are time in patch on your sanity. Now the same political party no catches or best scrap it the double track system no is promising us a 3-shift system. So which is which? It's a shift system munya and yet okay open form say I don't know nya when they onye
o say enya
no onye I don't know say I before can say me say ye chiko kwa ye ni ma enama ayen we no ye mfa ye simple nya dey enka. Now you come and promise us you are going to scrap the double track system. No nya say bia obi na share that no dey buy it was just an intervention to ensure say every student are willing so because school bia betimi anya school ni bia ko na ye dia ba say na chama ho aba na ntrefi na ho aba ne nko obi aba pe so ko school ye the system na ba ye ntimi discriminate. Now how do we deal with such a situation because nipa na doso people sat no mo just say no ye nye ni say be ye obi abetimi akobi ntuno ye ma bi mu nko time say na academic exercise no enko so omu wie no makwan then the next batch will go in the in between no I will see timisisi adan any baby omu beda ne baby omu betena sua de se be ya with time no omu nyina betimi aba. I'm telling you say some schools double track no majai because you see but you say because you see adan no ebi ama and they no longer have to go on double track. They no longer have to go on double track. And even when they start your kwa nenyo school senior double track. Obama and so do be senior high school. Yeah, any double track. Because already your numbers no na okay MIA muso. Assuming without admit, you find said you more can no it's anything to go by. How on earth can someone who is promising to scrap a shift system, which is even an intervention to curb students some comfort into me school year free one also by best scrapping no problem. Then you turn around and promise a 3-shift system. 2 shifts they also and yet 3 shifts end of the year. If any shift is not good, why do you even promise another shift? Me chairman bachom command the minim so what
me too.
Me person betim what masi chairman. Me church ade no because
say u churchim etie for dodo na etie no. Omo and a better Thomas.
Minim say me
a messenger. If I'm your conduit and I'm so na dey ko.
Conveyor belt.
I'm your conveyor belt. I'm a piano moment.
And chama be machine no ye.
Me
be say o mo say. Obi a wo see double track system enye. Enti students o go school no ba obe ye free o. So be so ye free o the one ka. Obviously e be say obe sisi adan ni ade because that is the only means obe ye free o. And I say e bia obeka say e say no kwa no free SHS ye twam enti wo a pass bia no uniska do betua untimi nko ene de no so bebo ama double track no etu betwa. That's also another leg of the argument. You are promising to scrap it. Then you come again and promise a 3-shift system. Chawa who asamna ye kano I say Elizato of fire the ebio okwa obi a promise o keka no so ka ebio because you cannot approbate and reprobate. I say asam no kwa ha no wasi ha ye election na Ghana for no we are wide awake ye near bie ye fear ni say na chema ye hwe ye metna ho ma de obi a beka bia no na I say you picking hook line and sinker na ye de nam na debi o kan asem na yes you the beto pono so na ya bie mu apensem mu so asem a okay waka but is it feasible ade na wo kan no o source of funding po e den.
Peace FM 104.3 good to meet you.